In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward and will have you set up and ready to connect with your team in no time. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by typing Microsoft Teams into your search engine or directly entering the URL in the address bar. Once you've landed on the Microsoft Teams homepage, you might need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials if you're not already logged in. Just enter your email and password and you'll be good to go. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard, which is your hub for all things Teams related. Now let's move on to creating your meeting link. From the main dashboard, look for the Meet option, which is typically located in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new set of options related to meetings. Here, you want to select Create a Meeting Link. As you click this, Teams will generate a unique link for you. This link is what you'll share with your colleagues or anyone who you want to invite to the meeting. It's always a great idea to double-check that the link has been correctly generated to ensure smooth communication with your participants. Once you have your meeting link, the next step is quite simple: sharing it. You can distribute this link by copying and pasting it into an email, chat message, or any other communication platform your team frequently uses. A little tip here: always make sure to include a brief description or agenda for the meeting when you share the link, so your participants know what to expect and can prepare accordingly. And just like that, you're done. With your link shared, you're set to host your meeting and connect with your team or clients seamlessly. Microsoft Teams does a great job of keeping things intuitive, allowing you to focus more on what matters: your meeting content and collaboration. Before we wrap up, remember these tips. First, always check your internet connection before a meeting starts to avoid any disruptions. Second, familiarize yourself with the Teams interface if you're new to it. Knowing where things are can save a lot of time and frustration during a meeting. Lastly, practice a test run if you're hosting a meeting for the first time. This can help you catch any technical issues early. And there you have it, the quick and easy way to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Hopefully you found this guide useful and you're ready to set up your next meeting with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.